Hello and welcome to Kundalini Oracle Van Life Edition Part 2. Today I pulled the card Earth, Steadiness. It's one of the tattvas. The earth element is the one that we tend to feel connected to, or at least call out for the most just in passing. We always talk about, I need to get more grounded. I need to, get my feet on the ground. I need to just bring myself to now, which is where this steadiness comes in. It says, the first of the element is earth, and the virtue associated with it are steadiness and spiritual endurance. The classical negative manifestation of earth is greed. To divert its influence, we can, for instance, choose to be greedy about spreading the truth, which is a universal truth, not necessarily a personal truth. Don't get those two mixed up. A lot of times we get really caught up in what our personal truths are, and we forget that, every people got those things, and we just should respect them. So, definitely spread your truth, but don't get too caught up on people believing it, is what I'm saying. Perfecting a practice or being relentlessly kind. We must be relentlessly kind. It's part of the radical acceptance game, bro. Just as a child's first teacher is their mother, Mother Earth teaches the seeker the lessons of spiritual endurance and forgiveness. For even though the human being heaps mountains of waste and pollution on Mother Earth, she gives in return valuable minerals and food without we could not exist. The seeker learned that from all the abuse, criticism, and negativity the seeker receives from the outside world, they should give the benefit of the spiritual power, knowledge, and self, and loving forgiveness. Part of this is being secure in yourself. It's not taking anything that anybody ever throws at you personally and just accepting the fact that people are going to be. They're going to be what they're going to be. They're going to be where they're at. They're going to say what they're going to say. They may try to bring you to their level up or down. And that's on them. That's not on you. Not taking things personally is an interesting challenge. It doesn't come easily for a lot of us because we have a lot of our mental imprints or samskaras or external things from people, and they're what our parents said, family said, teachers, peers, whatever. And once we can remove those, fortify a positive outlook about ourselves, with ourselves, then we become more resilient to the external world. So today's practice has a mantra, and we're pretty much giving ourselves a hug. The mantra is Ra, Ma, Da, Sa. When we say Ra, we pull in on the navel. Ma, Da, Sa. Pull in on the navel a little bit more. Pause, no breath. Sa, navel again. Se, so, hung, navel again. So again, Ra, Ma, Da, Sa. Pause, no breath. Sa, se, so, hung. I'm at Loveland Ski Area in the parking lot. It's 7:41 a.m. Eyes are closed. So we're going to fold the arms across the diaphragm. It says right over left. Hold opposite elbows. But for me, I have tendinitis, so it helps me to do my left over my right, just because my weaker arm is being supported here. So always modify if you need to. That's the lesson there. Again, the mantra is Ra, Ma, Da, Sa, Sa, Se, So, Hung. Eyes closed. Inhale to begin. Exhale. Actually, we need to tune in. Bring the palms together and rub them. Just did the Adi mantra this morning. Base of your thumbs to heart center. Inhale deep. Exhale. Inhale to tune in. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Beautiful. Just grabbing opposite elbows, giving yourself a little hug again. just going to do this for a while. I don't know the exact time. I'm not setting a timer today. I'm just going to flow. It calls for 31 minutes, which we can extend to. But for today, just do what we do. Eyes closed. Ramanda sa se so hum. 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 Ramada 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 sa se so hum. Ramadasa sa se so hung. Ramadasa sa se so hung. Inhale. Hold the breath. Squeeze your whole body. Exhale. 2 more times. Inhale. Hold. Squeeze. Exhale. 1 more time. And relax. Take a few breaths. It's card number 22 out of the Kundalini Meditation Oracle. Eventually I'll get all 50 cards up. But for today, let's go ahead and close this space. Let's bring the palms together and rub them briskly. We'll seal with 3 long satnams. Heart center. Inhale. Satnam. 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 May we feel steady and grounded and secure in ourselves. Thank you so much for being here. Satnam. Also, we live stream our classes on Zoom. So if you want to get that group class experience, but without leaving your house, go ahead and check out our website. It's in the description. Thanks so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Also know that we have a Patreon and we are accepting supporters. Lowest tier is $5. That keeps things like this being made, helps support this path, this studio, these teachers. Thank you for watching.